Step-by-step guide on how you can add Subway points from receipt. First, you will need to download the Subway app. If you don't already have the Subway MyWay Rewards app, you want to download it from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. And then you either create an account or log into your account. So here's how we enter the receipt information. You want to open up the app and navigate to the rewards section or your account dashboard. You will look for an option that says add points or redeem points from receipt. The app will prompt you to enter the receipt details manually. Usually you'll need to enter the restaurant number or store location, the date and time of your purchase, and the transaction number. Sometimes Subway will also provide a barcode or QR code on the receipt that can be scanned directly within the app to add points. You will have to submit the information, so after entering the required details, you will click on Submit or Add Points. The points may take a short time to reflect in your account, so check back in your app's point balance. Verify your points. Once the points are added, you should see them in your rewards account balance. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.